And we're back with the final part of the Hairline Topper series. In part 1, we padded out our head mold. In part 2, we built the foundation. And now in the last and final part, we will be ventilating the hairline topper and you'll see the results. So right here you see me loading some kinky curly hair that I've mixed with gray into the drawing card. The purpose of the drawing card is to keep your hair organized. You don't want the tips and the ends to mix and mingle because it will cause your frontal or anything that you ventilate to tangle and mat really bad. So here are all the supplies that are needed. And for the majority of the rest of this video, you'll see me ventilating the frontal. And I will just let you watch. I'll see you towards the end. Here is the finished product. Everything is ventilated on the hairline, and in a second I'll show you what it looks like on my mannequin head. So here is the hairline topper. I dyed the monofilament, so that's why it's brown, and that just helps grip it and makes it easier to be glueless. There are the adjustments. You can adjust the size. As I mentioned in part 2, I did end up changing the adjustments in other toppers that I made. This is how you put it on, just like a headband. You can part your hair where you might want to part the frontal, or you can just push your hair back and then you just pull it up and over your natural hairline. This topper is good for people who may have thinning edges, or even if you don't have thinning edges, you can wear this if you want to change your hairline or if you want to have a complete protective style. The styling options with this are limitless. You can add it to a half wig as well. So here are the results. If you like DIY videos like this one regarding wig making, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, and let me know what else you would like to see. If you try this method out for a hairline topper, let me know, show me your results. And as always, if you have any questions, you can email me at info@the1haircoach.com or just leave a comment. I hope that you enjoyed this series. There are many more to come, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.